शायद बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है कि टिशू भाई की वजह से बहुत सारे एक्टर इंक्लूडिंग मनोज भाई, निर्मल पांडे उस वक्त पे, सीमा विश्वास, ये वो जितने भी बैंडिट क्वीन के एक्टर्स थे वो सारा पूरा का पूरा लौट आया था यहाँ पे। और उनको देख के हम लोग आए थे, फिर मैंने कहा यार ये भी बन सकते हैं तो हम भी ट्राई करते हैं अपना। तो ये एक
राइट।
बहुत बड़ा दौर था, एक मतलब एक वक्त था ऐसा कि जो बैंडिट क्वीन के बाद बहुत सारे कम 50-60 एक्टर आए थे यहाँ पे।
Of course, you have to please people to get work.
My film
Right.
is questioning that patriarch we are living in.
All three of you all, welcome to the Quint.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Talking about Raat Akeli hai, I felt that both your characters, Radhika and Nawaz, they're sort of stuck in a very fragile situation. And then there are so many layers to their own journeys as well. What was it like exploring the world of both your characters, and what sort of preparation did it take you?
For me, it was really difficult to get the dialect and the body language right because I had never even been to those places and I really had no idea. And I haven't, my Hindi is not great. I'm not proud of it. So we had a lot of rehearsals. Like, I was working on my dialect for a month.
मेरा पहले से प्रिपरेशन नहीं होता, मैं हमेशा डायरेक्टर के उस पे तैयार करता हूँ, जो डायरेक्टर के दिमाग में है। कहीं ना कहीं डर रहता है ना कि हम लोग कंफर्ट जोन में ना आ जाए। कई बार मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं अपना खुद का कुछ ऐड करूँ, मैं हमेशा रॉन्ग ट्रैक पे चला गया, क्योंकि वो बहुत कंफर्ट जोन होता है। वो कहता है ना कि अगर रियलिज्म भी करना है, रियलिस्टिक भी करना है, तो कैरेक्टर का रियलिज्म होना चाहिए। वो अक्सर क्या होता है कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर ये बहुत रियलिस्टिक एक्टर है यार, लेकिन वो खुद ऐसे ही करता है, ऐसे ही वो फिल्म के पर्दे पे आ रहा है, तो क्या इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात हो गई। यू हैव टू बी, मतलब कैरेक्टर का रियलिज्म होना बहुत जरूरी है। वो तभी आएगा जब आप डायरेक्टर की बात सुनेंगे।
Honey, you're wearing the hat as a director for the first time. How important was it for you to those layers that you have in your characters, considering the fact that we have seen a story like not like this, but like a similar plot where there is a high-profile murder, there's political nexus. Were you afraid that people might think of this to be just another story that we've seen before? How did you make sure that you got those layers in, and was it a lot to grapple with?
My film is like on a surface level, if you'll see, then you'll find it's a murder mystery, it's a whodunit, and it's all about that. But if you go deeper and look into it, and you'll see it's a coming out of their, all the characters are coming out of their own self. Everybody, all the characters are up, though everybody is a part of the society, all the characters living in the society, and they are somewhere contributing, or they are actually stuck in the patriarchy system what we have in our culture. And by the end of it, how the characters tries to come out of that patriarch. My film is questioning that patriarch we are living in.
I want to ask you, what was it like directing Tigmanshu Dhulia? Because like we've seen him in chota chota roles. Pehle bhi Gangs of Wasseypur mein bhi the wo, and he's a brilliant director himself. How did you direct him? What happened?
He's a very real person. He's a very real human being. Actually, he doesn't have any like कि वो बाहर से कुछ और दिखते हैं, अंदर से कुछ और है. And for me, it was a great honor. Actually, किसी को पता नहीं होगा, because of Tishu Bhai only I came to Bombay. There was when I used to do theatre, I was working on another play which I wanted to adapt, and I really wanted to have that experience of working with somebody as an assistant director. And Tishu Bhai was supposed to direct, or he directed actually a series called Rajdhani. So I met Tishu Bhai. He was great. He called me at his house, and we had long chat, and we got to know कि okay, I'm also from Allahabad. He is also from Allahabad, and but yeah, he's kind of responsible for me staying in Bombay.
शायद बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है कि टिशू भाई की वजह से बहुत सारे एक्टर इंक्लूडिंग मनोज भाई, निर्मल पांडे उस वक्त पे, सीमा विश्वास, ये वो जितने भी बैंडिट क्वीन के एक्टर्स थे वो सारा पूरा का पूरा लौट आया था यहाँ पे। और उनको देख के हम लोग आए थे, फिर मैंने कहा यार ये भी बन सकते हैं तो हम भी ट्राई करते हैं अपना। तो ये एक
Right.
बहुत बड़ा दौर था, एक मतलब एक वक्त था ऐसा कि जो बैंडिट क्वीन के बाद बहुत सारे कम 50-60 एक्टर आए थे यहाँ पे, और उसके बाद हम लाइन लगी थी हम लोगों की। तो ऐसा ये बिल्कुल टिशु भाई का किया धरा है सब एक्चुअली.
Honey, you've also been a casting director for a really long time. You've casted for some brilliant films like Urta Punjab, Talwar, Hindi Medium, Son Chiriya, like the list goes on and on. I want to ask you, when you get a brief for any of the films that you're casting for, what is it that you look for in an actor, and how do you dissect the brief? And is it just the look of an actor that you're looking for to click, or is it the actor, the sort of journey that they've had, the acting skills that they have?
See, to tell you very frankly, I come from theater. I come from stage. I was a theater director before I came to the industry. And to answer your question, how do I find the actors for to play a certain character? I'm never in search for actors. You know, I'm always looking for my characters, even as a casting director also. Because that's the reason, like whenever anybody has approached me to do the casting for their films, I always ask for the script, not a narration, because first I want to read the script and I want to see like what is my imagination and where I'm leading with these characters. Those people are actor and great actors, that's an added bonus to it. Because otherwise you'll never be able to discover new talent if you'll always go for like the named character and all that. So I try and
Yes.
look for my characters.
Lately, we have heard a lot of discussion around what gets you work in the industry. Some people have said that you have to be a very nice person to work with. You know, you have to be pleasant to work with. Um, I want you, what do you do to, try to be on the set? Do you have a different personality in terms of, you will try to get along with people on the set? Is that what you do? Or talent is something that goes a long way and will always be the merit? Like, merit will always be the case for it.
It's always about the talent. I think rest of the thing situation plays you out.
Of course, you have to please people to get work. Whether you please them through your talent or give them confidence that you'll be able to do it, or whether you please them through an audition is different, but you've got to please them.
Nawaz, what is it for you? Do you think that you have to be just like a very nice person to work with, or talent is utmost importance for you?
सी नाइस तो लाइफ में वैसे ही होना चाहिए मतलब फिल्म में क्या मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में क्या वैसे भी नाइस ही होना चाहिए इंसान को तो यू नो और रही बात ये टैलेंट की ऑफकोर्स टैलेंट का होना तो ज़रूरी है यू नो बिना आप कितना भी नाइसेस्ट हो जाएं किसी वो हमारे यहाँ एक कहावत है ना कहते हैं ना कि अगर आदमी बहुत अच्छा है तो उसको खाने पे बुलाओ लेकिन अगर टैलेंटेड है उसको काम दो अगर टैलेंट नहीं है और आदमी बहुत अच्छा है उसका क्या अचार डालूंगा मैं भाई मेरा काम बहुत अच्छा करके जाना चाहिए इसलिए टैलेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है बंदे के पास यू नो अगर अच्छा इंसान है और टैलेंट है नहीं तो उसको खाने पे घर पे खाने पे बुलाओ बस
So thank you so much, and I hope that the audience enjoys it as well. And thank you so much, all three of you, for taking time out to do this.
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Lovely talking.